Hello guys, myself Ankita. This video we shall see another problem on LeetCode. Merge strings alternatively. We are given two strings word1 and word2. Merge the strings adding letters in alternating order, starting with word1. So if a string is longer than the other, append the additional letters onto the end of the merged string. So the given question is there are given two strings, word1 and word2, and we have to merge the two strings into a one. How do we merge that is in such a way that it should be in alternating order, starting with word one. The letters in the string must be in alternating order, starting with word one. So if we take the first letter of word one as the first letter of the output string, then the next letter would be from the word. Then alternatively, next letter would be from the word one. Then next letter would be from word two, and so on. So we have to add the letters in alternating order. And what if a string is longer than the other? You could see in this example, word 2 is longer than the word 1, right? In such case, append the additional letters onto the end of the word string. So what do you mean by additional letters? For example, you start with word 1, first you write A, then you go to word 2, so P will be appended. Then go to word 1, B will be appended. And go to word 2, Q will be appended. When it comes to word 1 now, there are no more characters present, no more letters present. So in such case, whatever remaining letters present in the other word, that is word to here, append those letters directly to the merge string. So that is the last statement. So let's say the given two examples are A, B, C and PQR. This is word 1 and word 2. So we need to output a string such that alternatively letters must start from the two words and the first letter should be from the word 1. It's given in the question, starting with word 1. So for this example, we start with A from word 1, then P, then here B, then it will be Q, then C, and last letter R. So if you observe the positions of the letters in the merge string, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say the merge string called as resultant string or word. Uh, yeah, you could say this as resultant string. And we know the positions of each letter, right? So if you see the 0, 2, and 4, the three letters from these even positions are from word 1. Word 1. And similarly, if you take P, Q, and R, they all are in 1, 3, 5, that are all positions. So this is word 2. So if you have two variables I for the word 1 and J for word 2, so this is word 1 and word 2, and one more variable K for word resultant word. So this is the I will be initially 0, J will be 0, and K will also be 0. So if you consider, what if the resultant string position is even? If the resultant string position is even, then we have to append the characters of word 1 bit. So if k is k modulus 2 is equal to 0, that means the remainder is 0, which means that the given position is even. Then in such case, you append a resultant plus equals to um, word 1. We append the letter from word 1 dot character 80 of I. Then increment I plus plus. So once you append 0 position, you do I plus plus. So the next letter you will be getting for the next loop. Similarly, what if k modulus 2 is not equal to 0? Then you just, instead of word 1, add word 2 and character 80 of j and j plus plus. So this is one case. This is okay if both the strings have the same length. What if they have different length? Like let's say Let's say the given string is A, B, then this is P, Q, R, and S. So here in course this is 2, this is 4 length. So you start with A, then here P, B, Q. So word 1 is done. So R is you append. So till here it's fine. But the remaining R is to append from the word 2. What do you need to do? So for that you need to check if I is for the I said for the word 1 and J will be pointing to the word 2. Right? So if I is equal to word 1 dot length, that means it will be out of 1, right? So this is 0, 1, its length is 2. This is 0 position, 1 position. What if I is equal to it's outside that. So if I is equal to word 1 dot length and at the same time J is lesser than word 2 dot length. Why J lesser than word 2 dot length? So J will point at R by this time. When we finish AB, J will point here. So if such case happens, then you append the characters of word. So result plus equals to word 2 dot character id of J and increment J plus. Similarly, the opposite case. If you have A, B, C, D and P, Q, in such case you will have A first, then P, then B, then Q, and remaining C. For this remaining part, again you have to check if the length of the word 2 is exhausted. That means J is equal to word 2 dot length. That means its pointer is pointing to outside the array. And I already heard that is lesser than word 1 dot length. You do appending of the character of I here. So these are the four conditions which we need to handle. So one is if k modulus 2 is equal to 0 and I must be if k modulus 2 equal to 0 means in such case it's a even position you have to append the character of word 1, letter of word 1 and I should be lesser than word 1 right now in such case. For this if not equal to 0, k modulus 2 then again let's check and j lesser than word 2 down. So even positions you add word 1 letter, odd positions you add word 2 letter. If any one of the word gets exhausted, you just append the characters of other word just by giving these conditions. So we will code this int n1 equal to word 1 dot length. We shall compute this first. Then int n2 equal to word 2 dot length. So after this, resultant string resultant equal to empty string. So now define three variables in I equal to 0 in j equal to 0. Now run the for loop for the resulting string. For k equal to 0, k lesser than, so the length of the resultant string will be nothing but n1 plus n2, length of the first word plus length of the first two. So k lesser than n1 plus n2 and k plus plus. At first we'll consider for the even portion. So if k modulus 2 is equal to 0 and if k modulus 2 equal to 0, it's an even position. But with respect to even position, the length of the word 1 must be I should be lesser than the length of word 1. So I lesser than n1. In such case, resultant plus equals to word 1 dot character 80 of I and increment I plus plus. Else if again same conditions, but this time the reverse of it. What if k modulus 2 is not equal to 0? In such case, that is an odd position, and in this case, we have to check for the length of the word 2. So j lesser than 2. Then append the letter character 80 of and increment the J. So once these two are done, now go to the this condition where appending the remaining characters once the length of the one of the words is exhausted. So else if I equal to n1, that means I is counting out of the array and j lesser than n2. In such case, append the character at j. So this we shall complete. First word is exhausted, the second word still has characters, so resulting plus equals to. All these should be plus equals to. Yeah. The other condition else is j equal to n2 and I lesser than n1. In such case, resultant plus equals to word 1 dot character 80 of I. So in this case, word 1 length is exhausted. In this case, word 2 length is exhausted. So these are the conditions to follow. Now at last return the resultant string. And do the data type. Okay, so this is not possible. Okay, here once you do the assignment, you have to increment the value as well. So I plus plus and j plus plus. Yes. Yeah. This is because we need to move to the next letters in the given string. That's why. Yeah, it's been successfully submitted. If you have any doubts, please drop in the comment section. We'll come out with another video in the next session. And subscribe the channel and keep learning. Thank you.